Cut bok choy to big pieces. $600 bok choy is ready. Now get whole garlic prepared. Use knife to pat garlic. See? It can help to peel off its skin. Cut 7-gram pepper to big pieces. I use firm tofu to cook this dish. Slice tofu to 1/2-inch thick pieces. $454 firm tofu is ready. Prepare 2 eggs. Put tofu into egg liquid. Turn fire high. Add 3 tablespoons oil into wok. When the oil is getting hot, we are going to fry tofu. One side will get slightly brown in 1 minute, then turn over to the other side to fry too. Fried tofu is ready. Now put garlic and pepper into wok. Fry and stir. When pepper and garlic turns brown, add bok choy. Fry and stir. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Fry and stir. Add tofu. Add 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Stir gently. Add 100 ml of water. Turn fire low and put lid on. Let it cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, add 1 teaspoon salt. Stir gently. This dish is ready. Put in a plate. Nice, looks good. fry barbecue is done. I can smell garlic and pepper. Smell really good. Here with rice. Have strong garlic and pepper flavor. It's really good. You should try.